Hey everyone, in this video we are going to solve a question from IIT JEE Main 2019. Let f be a differentiable function from R to R such that mod of f of x minus f of y is less equal to times mod of x minus y raised to 3 by 2 for all xy in R. If f of 0 is equal to 1, then integral from 0 to 1 f square of x dx is equal to, the options are 2, 1 by 2, 1 and 0. Now here the important thing is that we have given that this f is differentiable function, right? And along with this f satisfies this property, right? So that means f of x minus f of y mod is less equal to times mod of x minus y. Now we can write this 3 by 2 as 1 by 2 plus 1, right? Now note that this holds for all xy in R, right? And x is not equal to y, right? And therefore we have x is not equal to y, that means x minus y is not 0, and therefore mod of x minus y is not 0, right? Also we know that mod of any number is greater equal 0, and here x is not equal to y, that means we have mod of x minus y is strictly greater than 0. Now just divide by mod of x minus y, so we have f of x minus f of y divided by mod of x minus y is less equal 2 times mod of x minus y raised to 1 by 2, right? And because this is a positive quantity, so this inequality sign remains as it is. Now you take the limit as x tends to y. So this mod is just mod of f of x minus f of y divided by x minus y is less equal 2 times limit as x tends to y of mod x minus y raised to half, right? Now as x tends to y, we know that x minus y tends to 0, right? So this tends to 0 raised to half, that is equal to 0, right? So 2 times 0 is just equal to 0, and therefore we have limit as x tends to y of mod of f of x minus f of y divided by x minus y is less equal 0, right? And what is the meaning of this? This is just nothing but we can just take this mod outside, so we have mod of this limit, and this is nothing but mod of f dash of y is less equal 0, right? Because recall the definition, if we have limit as x tends to a f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a, then this is just equal to f dash at a, and therefore we have f dash of y is equal to 0, right? And this gives us f of y is a constant function, right? Because we know that if f dash is 0, so you can just integrate on both the sides, so we have f of y is equal to 0 plus c, where c is some constant, that means f of y is equal to c. So this is a constant function, right? Now here y is just a variable, so this also means that fx is equal to c for all x belongs to the domain, that is R, real numbers. Now we have given that f of 0 is equal to 1, that means what? When we put x is equal to 0, we get 1. So put x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to c, but f of 0 is equal to 1, that is equal to c. So that means this f of x is equal to c, that is equal to 1. This is for all x belongs to R. That means the function f of x is just a constant function 1. Now this is equal to integration from 0 to 1. F square is same as f of x its square, which is equal to 1 square, that is equal to 1, right? And dx. So this is just equal to x from 0 to 1, that is equal to 1 minus 0, that is 1, right? So this C option is the correct option.